Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the presence of different species of plants and animals on the earth. Moreover, it is also called biological diversity as it is related to the variety of species of flora and fauna. Biodiversity plays a major role in the maintaining the balance of the earth. Furthermore, everything depends upon the biological diversity of different plants and animals. But due to some reason, biodiversity is decreasing day by day. If it does not stop, then our earth could no longer be a place to live in. Therefore, different measures help in increasing the biodiversity of the earth. Biodiversity is extremely important to maintain the ecological system. Most noteworthy, many species of plants and animals are dependent on each other. Therefore, if one of them gets extinct, the others will start getting endangered too. Moreover, it is important for humans too because our survival depends on plants and animals. For instance, the human needs food to survive, which we get from plants. Therefore, we should take various countermeasures to stop the reduction of endangering of species. Furthermore, pollution from vehicles should decrease so that animals can get fresh air to breathe. Moreover, it will also decrease global warming, which is the major cause of the extinction of the species. Biodiversity is a variety of life, and it's important to maintain biodiversity because it provides everyone's needs for food source, water source, and shelter. Biodiversity is all the different kinds of life we find in one area, the variety of animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms like bacteria that make up our natural world. Each of these species and organisms work together in ecosystem like an intricate web to maintain balance and support life. Biodiversity conservation is vital for economic growth and poverty reduction. A majority of the world poor life in rural areas and depend upon forests, water, wetland, field, and pastures for their livelihoods. Biodiversity conservation can help address the effect of climate change. Conserving habitats can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere. Conserving mangroves and other coastal ecosystems can lessen disastrous impact of climate change, such as flooding and storm surge. Projects that reduce the vulnerability of species and ecosystems to climate change impact can safeguard essential ecosystem services such as air and water purification, pollination, and food production and carbon sequestration. Scarce or contested natural resources are often at the root of conflict. Mismanaging natural resources and harming biodiversity can increase poverty and instability. Helping communities and individuals secure the right to use natural resources and involving local communities in responsibly managing them can prevent or minimize conflict and provide opportunities for economic growth.